In today's episode, we're going to discover the beauty of Arabic greetings and delve into the rich spiritual expressions of Eastern Saudi Arabia. Join us as we explore the profound meaning behind La ilaha illa Allah, a phrase that transcends mere words and touches the very core of Islamic faith. As Salaam Alaikum means peace be upon you, it's more than just a greeting. It's a declaration of faith, a reminder of the divine message, and above all, a source of peace and blessings. When someone says, As Salaam Alaikum, they are not only extending a warm welcome, but also invoking the peace of Allah upon the person they are addressing. It's a beautiful way to begin any interaction, to set a tone of tranquility and harmony. Similarly, the response to As Salaam Alaikum is Wa Alaikum As Salam. This simply means, and upon you be peace. It's a reciprocal exchange that creates a sense of unity and togetherness. In that brief moment when two Muslims greet each other with As-Salaam Alaikum wa Alaikum As-Salam, there is a profound connection that is established, a bond of faith and brotherhood or sisterhood that transcends any superficial differences. Now let's explore another aspect of Eastern Saudi Arabian spirituality, the call to prayer. The call to prayer, or Adhan, echoes 5 times a day from the minarets of mosques, reminding Muslims of their duties and calling them to worship. The words of the Adhan are powerful and evocative. They symbolize the oneness of God and the importance of prayer as the foundation of Islamic practice. When you hear the melodic call to prayer, it's an invitation to pause, reflect, and turn your heart towards Allah. It's a reminder that in the midst of our daily activities, we should never forget the presence of the divine. Furthermore, the call to prayer fosters a sense of community and shared identity among Muslims around the world. No matter where you may be, when the Adhan is called, you know that Muslims everywhere are coming together in worship. It's a unifying force that transcends geographical boundaries and cultural differences. Now, if you're looking for a way to immerse yourself in the tranquil melodies of the oud, I invite you to listen to my composition Hina Matakum. This piece was inspired by the enchanting sounds of the oud, an ancient Arabic instrument that holds a special place in my heart. As you listen to Hina Matakum, I encourage you to close your eyes and let the music take you on a journey. Allow the haunting melody of the oud to transport you to a place of serenity and reflection. In this time of solitude, I want you to think about the moments that bring you joy, the people who make you smile, and the blessings that fill your life. Let the music enhance your meditation, allowing you to fully embrace the present moment. Remember, true happiness often lies in the little things, the beauty of nature, the warmth of human connection, and the peace that comes from within. Finally, let's explore the concept of modesty and simplicity, which are highly valued in Islamic culture. Dressing modestly is not only a religious duty, but also a reflection of one's inner piety and respect for oneself and others. For women, this means covering their heads and bodies in a way that is respectful and dignified. Men, too, are encouraged to dress modestly, avoiding anything that is too tight or revealing. Modesty in clothing goes beyond religious obligation. It's an expression of self-respect and a way of honoring one's own worth. When you dress modestly, you are making a statement that you value yourself and that you are not defined by your physical attributes. This sense of self-worth radiates from within and is reflected in the way you carry yourself and interact with others. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this episode, I invite you to explore more content where we continue to unravel the beauty of Arabic culture and spirituality. And if you found inspiration in the music of the oud, I encourage you to listen to my other compositions. Each note is a step towards a deeper connection with myself and with you. Together, let's keep exploring the wonders of Arabic culture and the richness of spiritual expression. Until next time, Salaam Alaikum wa Salam.